It's partly cloudy. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northern Juniata County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Mifflin County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 5 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over Walnut, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Lewistown, Burnham, Newport, Highland Park, Yeagertown, McAllisterville, Spruce Creek, Reedsville, Juniata Terrace, Mexico, Alpharetta, and Belltown. Reduce speed and turn on headlights. During snow squall, conditions may lead to accidents. Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has